Not everyone likes playing games solely on their computer or cell phone. There are plenty of people who still enjoy traditional board games. Let's look at some of them with a new high-tech twist. I'm Emily Cassulo, and this is Tech Byte. A little bit of old school and a little bit of tech. That's a great way to describe the Outsmarted and Stop Thief board games. Both pair with your smartphone or tablet, but you can still make it hands-on and play with physical game pieces. Outsmarted is great if you like trivia. It has 6,500 plus multimedia-rich questions with pictures, song clips, and video. And if those aren't enough, you can even buy more categories for those questions, like Harry Potter, Friends, or the 1980s. Outsmarted is also the world's first board game with remote play, so your friends and family can join in from anywhere. It can also adjust difficulty by age, so anyone in the family can win. The game is frequently updated with new content, and the breaking news category is updated daily. Restoration Games restore the 1979 Parker Brothers classic Stop Thief. The game company says it's one of the first games to use electronics to drive gameplay and one of the first to use hidden movement. Stop Thief on the Restoration Games app has plenty of sound effects, cluing you into where the thief is hiding as they move around the board. You do need the smartphone app to play the game. You can learn more information on restorationgames.com. As for Outsmarted, it's also coming live to TikTok soon. I'm Emily Cassulo, and that's this week's Tech Byte.